Hello guys, welcome back to an unboxing video. So I got a nice keyboard, 100% keyboard. It's called Alloy Core RBG HyperX. This is how it looks like in front. It has buttons up top like the mute, pause, volume. It's so nice and beautiful. Let's do an unboxing, guys. Here it goes. Okay, there's the keyboard right there. Nice. Take this out now. Okay, so this is the cable for the keyboard. Nice. Okay, here's the keyboard. Right here. Nice. Let me show you guys the back. Nice. I'll show you guys when it sets up on my desk when the PC is turned on. And then we got, I think, the manual book here and stuff. Okay. Nice. Alright guys, let's open this keyboard and take it out. The ASMR sound. Wow. Nice. Alright, let me show you guys the back of it. Nice. Alright, let's go. Okay, wow. Alright guys, here's the keyboard on my PC. All the rainbow colors. Looks nice. Thanks everybody.